Oh, okay, this. Hi. We're doing using tangent to measure distance, and there's three things that you can measure distance by. The first one's sine, which is opposite over hypotenuse. The second one's cosine, which is adjacent over hypotenuse. And the last one's tangent, which is opposite over adjacent. Now, where they are on the triangle, hypotenuse is the longest side right here. Opposite is the one opposite from the angle, as you can tell, and adjacent is one underneath the angle. Now, the one we're learning about is tangent.
Now, finding opposite with tangent. So, first we have to recognize which one is opposite on the triangle. And the angle is right here, which is 44, and the opposite is over here. And we have the adjacent, and so we put that all together, and we have tangent of 44 equals x, which is opposite, and 64, which is the adjacent. And then you need a calculator to calculate tangent of 44, which is 0.965 over 1 equals, and you just bring the x over 64 down, and then you cross multiply, and then you have you just multiply 0.965 times 64, which gives you x equals 61. And in our example 2, finding adjacent using tangent is, we have our angle here, which is 22, we have our opposite, which is 82, and we have our adjacent, which is x. We do tangent of 22, and we use our calculators, and equals 82, which is the opposite, over x, which is the adjacent. And then we come out with our tangent of 22 equals 0.404 over 1 equals 82 over x, which we again just carried down. And then we cross multiply, giving us 82 times 1, which is shown here, and x times 0.404, which is shown here. And then to get x by itself, we divide by 0.404 on both sides, and that gives us 202 equals x.
And that's how you find distance.